Start. Sir, the general budget is a reflection of government's drive and direction on economic front. I think this budget should have had a positive direction. This budget lacks positive direction and initiative towards arriving at the realistic goal. Of course, there are many kinds of promises. For example, the Garibi Hatao slogan. The present budget is replete with various types of concessions and thereby attempting to prove that the budget is by far the soft stone ever presented in the House. But the pre-budget hike in different essential commodities has already hit the people. Today, railway journey has become costlier. Similarly, telecommunication rates and petrol prices have also been increased. Even life-saving drugs are beyond the reach of the common people. Sir, I would like to say that the annual budget can never deliver goods if the planning process is not drawn to earth. Indian planning over the years has been marked by urban biases and consequently 90% of the Indian population cannot be benefited by this sort of planning. So far as irrigation is concerned, Assam state stands at the nadir. During plan period, a large number of states have brought over 50% of their cultivated area under irrigation, but in Assam, hardly 13% of the land is brought under cultivation and hardly 45% of the crops are brought under irrigation. There is one Brahmaputra board, but finances are not yet properly given to it, and there is no provision for storage of irrigation projects. Moreover, power and irrigation facilities are the major input for development. Assam has immense resources, immense potential, but they are not properly exploited due to lack of vision of the planners, and that is why the northeastern states, including Assam, remain still backward. Sir, the state's domestic product increased only by 3%, while per capita state domestic product was minus 3%. This is because of the tremendous population growth due to migration to Assam. Assam continues to be much behind the rest of the country in terms of not only per capita income but also electricity consumption, irrigation potential created, rural drinking water supply, roads and railways, and credit deposit ratio, etc. And sir, what is more deplorable is the fact that Assam is the lowest amongst the northeastern states in per capita plan outlay throughout the country. Stop.